Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the Broil element on your Samsung range. If you're experiencing issues like uneven cooking, no heat during broiling, or the element not glowing red, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's dive in and get your range back in top shape. With over 2 billion products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your range or turn the breaker off. You will need to pull the range out and remove the Phillips head screws from the back. The Broil element is checked in a similar way as the bake element. Let's take a look at how this is done. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be very careful to protect yourself from electric shock, which has a potential to cause serious injury. Don't ever test for voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. Turn the oven control to broil. Using your multimeter set to AC voltage, check across the two terminals. You should read 240 volts AC. If you do and the element does not heat, the element is bad and needs to be replaced. If the voltage is not correct, check the wiring. Is it burned or broken? If not, you will need to replace the control. It should be sending 240 volts AC to the element. We found the Broil element was getting 240 volts AC, but not heating, so it needed to be replaced. To remove the Broil element, let's make it easy on our bodies. Make sure to turn the breaker off or unplug the range before starting our repair. Remove the oven door by opening the door to a flat position and pulling out the door catch clips like so. Lift up and out to remove the door. Remove the oven racks. Now, isn't this easier? Now go to the back, locate the Broil element, and remove both wires from the terminals. Go back around to the front and remove the 4 screws holding the element and remove it. Here's the old element and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the element in place and secure it with the 4 screws. Go around to the back and connect the 2 wires to the terminal. You can go ahead and put the back panel on. You are done in the back. Go back around to the front and install the racks, set the door into position, and set the door catches. Make sure the door opens and closes properly. You can now turn the power back on or plug the range back in. Turn the oven on to broil and check it out. It may smell a little bit, but that's normal. Great job getting your Samsung range back in top shape by replacing the Broil element. We'd love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement Broil element or any other part, just take your model number over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days, so you'll have your range up and running in no time. Thank you for trusting us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.